Big ideas start with small words, and we've got a great one today. Today's word is discover. Can you say it out loud? Discover. Let's go. Let's spell discover together. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. Discover means to find or learn something new. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding how to find or learn something new in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as discover. Say it with me. Find, uncover, explore, reveal, detect, learn, notice. And here are words that mean the opposite of discover. Miss, overlook, hide, lose, ignore, cover, forget. Here's a great example. Sofia discovered a hidden trail in the park. Let's review. Discover means to find or learn something new. Synonyms: find, uncover, explore, reveal, detect, learn, notice. Antonyms: miss, overlook, hide, lose, ignore, cover, forget. Your challenge: discover something new today. Even tiny things are amazing. Use the word discover in a sentence today. Final thoughts: the world is full of discoveries. Keep exploring with wonder. Catch you next time with another awesome word.